UOB Asset Management is a leading investment management company headquartered in Singapore. Since then, we have grown extensively with strong local presence in 9 countries across Asia. Our investment performance is well recognized by the industry, and the firm has garnered over 300 awards regionally. Through rigorous fundamental research and a proven investment framework, we can provide clients with innovative investment solutions like the United G Strategic Fund. UOBAM's strength lies in our commitment to investment excellence. Approaching 4 decades of investment experience, UOBAM continues to evolve and change with the times to curate and cater solutions that meet the needs of our clients.
Following the great financial crisis in 2008, UOB Asset Management and GYC collaborated to come up with an all-weather investment strategy that invests in a wide base of stocks around the world in accordance with a quantitative risk model. This was the genesis of the United G Strategic Fund. The fund is able to rapidly reduce exposure to risky assets in times of exceptional market stress, limiting severe losses to the portfolio. Created to be extremely dynamic, the fund can completely shift between different asset classes, including cash, if the environment calls for it. This systematic approach helps us to protect our investors' capitals in times of systemic market stress and thus limits downside risk. Looking ahead, we continue to stick with our philosophy of being diversified across all major economic regions and countries, allowing us to capture tomorrow's market leaders as they emerge. As we look towards the future, it brings both opportunities and uncertainties. We will continue to be guided by the data to cut through the noise, remaining strategic, systematic, and focused on growing our investors' wealth.
I would say that this fund is well suited to stand the test of time. Investors are always wondering where's the best place to put their money, and what happens is that they end up chasing the flavor of the month. We are constantly being bombarded with ideas on what to buy and what to sell based on assumptions of what will happen in 3, 6, 9, or 12 months down the road. And we all know that predicting the future is an impossible task. With the United G Strategic Fund, you don't need to stress about any of that as it invests in everything for you. You invest in companies across the entire world. You want to hold Apple, Alibaba, or even DBS Bank, it's all in there. And if these companies get overtaken by others, you can be sure that the fund will have it. Decades of research and data show that investing in the world is a winning formula, and this is held true throughout every single crisis that the world has gone through. But investing globally is more than that. After all, the world 100 years ago and the world today looks very different. Back then, your big incumbents were companies in railroads, tobacco, metal and mining, and even big industrials. But today we see the rise of technology-focused companies, and in the future, who knows? This fund works because the portfolio allocation is constantly refreshed and updated to reflect the latest investment developments, however they may unfold. On top of that, the fund's risk overlay, comprising of a UOBAM model and GYC's own risk model, gives us valuable info on markets to help us decide on whether we can be fully invested or not. This helps to protect capital in the event of a major shock. Capital that you have worked hard for, saved and invested to fulfill your goals and dreams. So for many people, this is probably the best way to grow your assets. You don't need to check on it every day. You don't need to worry about switching to something else just because something may or may not happen. And you don't need to worry about shifting to cash if you're worried about a market collapse or a looming recession. Life is hectic enough as it is without throwing investment worries into the mix. This is perfect for people who have a lot going on, or for people who just simply want a stress-free way of steadily accumulating wealth.
At UOBAM, our commitment to embracing change and staying ahead of the curve is what sets us apart as an organization. We continue to evolve to meet the needs of our investors, and that includes building strong relationships with our partners like GYC and working collaboratively to curate effective and unique investment solutions. The United G Strategic Fund was born from such a collaboration, helping clients achieve their investment goals in a way that is based on evidence and research. By building strong partnerships and embracing innovation, we can help our clients reach their goals more effectively together.
In this world, dreams and goals almost always require some type of funding. What we do here at GYC is help clients with the persistent financial worry. That is, at the end of the day, will I have enough? Our business isn't about pushing products where our service ends at the point of sale. It's about working with our clients, making an individually tailored plan together, and making sure that plan is sustainable. Getting large returns can be great, but it is not the most important consideration. At GYC, we focus on risk management. There's no reason why anyone should risk losing what they have to get more than what they are asking for. The United G Strategic Fund helps us to plan for our clients' future. From young working adults to high net worth individuals, this fund is part of our core portfolios and works effectively to grow their assets in an evidence-based manner. Today, the fund is helping to provide many of our clients with retirement income for the rest of their lives.